In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a team member or collaborator in ManyChat. If you're managing a business or project, ManyChat is a fantastic tool that enables you to automate customer conversations through chatbots on platforms like Facebook Messenger. But of course, none of us can handle everything on our own. And that's where collaborators come in. By adding team members to your ManyChat account, you can divide tasks and work more efficiently. So let's walk through the process step by step. To kick things off, head over to ManyChat and log into your account. You'll start by navigating to the Home tab. This is your main dashboard where you can find all the essentials to get started on any task within ManyChat. Once you're comfortably settled in your Home tab, look towards the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a Settings option there. Go ahead and click on Settings to proceed. This section is where all the important configurations and management options are housed for your account. After entering the settings area, you'll find several options to choose from. What you want to do here is find and click on the Team Members tab. The Team Members section is central to managing who has access to your ManyChat account. It allows you to view current members and add new collaborators who can assist in various roles. Now, to actually invite a new team member, look for a button that says plus invite new member. Clicking this button will bring up a new window or menu where you can enter the details of the person you'd like to invite. Typically, you'll need their email address, so ensure you have that handy before you proceed. Once you've entered the necessary details, send out the invitation. The invitee will receive an email with instructions on how to join your ManyChat account. They'll have to accept the invitation, so do check in with them to ensure they haven't missed the email, especially if they're eagerly waiting to jump on board and help out with your chatbot workflows. And there you have it. You've successfully invited a new member to your ManyChat team. Remember that inviting collaborators doesn't just mean giving them access. It means allowing them to contribute to your project and help your business grow. As your team increases, you can assign specific roles to each member, tailoring their permissions according to your needs. Having a clear division of labor not only enhances productivity, but also ensures that your ManyChat setup runs smoothly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide on adding team members to ManyChat useful. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy chatting, and until next time!